You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. What does the situation on the financial markets look like today? The key stock indexes of the USA, Europe, and Asia are in the red zone. The US dollar index slowed down because the baton was intercepted by gold, which once again updated the historical maximum and is approaching the next psychological mark of $2,300 with incredible speed. Also, the cryptocurrency market has turned bright red, confirming the complete risk aversion. But the situation may worsen even more in the event of the release of really strong data on the US labor market. After all, the absence of further unemployment growth and the still large number of jobs created in the non-agricultural sector of the US economy will significantly reduce the likelihood of 3 increases in the key interest rate by the Federal Reserve. And although gold continues to rise rapidly in price, it is too early to talk about a trend change. Moreover, the observed correction is a useful and even necessary phenomenon for the market. After all, there have been no global changes. We have just received another confirmation of the stability of the US economy, which has been repeatedly discussed at the Fed, arguing that it is not advisable to reduce the key interest rate in March. However, the current reaction indicates investor wariness, which at any given time can be replaced by massive sales. In other words, many are ready to switch purchases to sales in order to lock in profits, and it is quite large. Strong growth is fraught with an even more powerful collapse, where investors have something to lose. If you had bought the S&P 500 index for $1,000 before the new year, you would have earned more than $150 in just the first 3 months of this year. With the same investment, but in Bitcoin, the income would exceed $600. Therefore, even those investors who started investing not so long ago have already been able to earn well and most likely do not want to lose profits. If they are not confident of further growth, then a wave of sales may follow, which will force more and more investors to take profits by closing purchase transactions. Please note that investing in Bitcoin has become extremely successful, even in such a short period of time. Therefore, the return of this coin below $60,000 may be a cause for concern. At the same time, it is important to keep in mind that a bearish scenario for the cryptocurrency market is possible only if key stock indexes continue to decline. After all, the main growth driver, thanks to which the observed growth of the cryptocurrency market became possible, is the decision of the US Securities and Exchange Commission to approve the Bitcoin ETF. It was this decision that allowed institutional investors to buy Bitcoin. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.